Okay, baby. I'm gonna act like I slip into the water and you gonna come save me, okay?
All right.
All right. Action. Oh, Mr. Plumber Man, I fell and I can't get up. Please come save me.
Ma'am, are you okay?
I think I may need some mouth-to-mouth recitation.
Well, ma'am, let me lay this pipe down.
Lay it down, lay it down. Yes. Cut. Thank you so much. I don't know what I would have done without you here.
No problem, ma'am.
Come back tomorrow. Come back tomorrow and finish. and oh, don't forget your money because you do good work.
Mom, who was that?
The plumber. The pipes is backed up again, and
Those pipes are new.
listen. If I say the pipes are backed up, they're backed up. That's it. Huh? Now pass me my purse. I done told you to stop coming in on me. You don't know what I might have got going on.
Who is it?
Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Black folks, sure be on time when something is free. I think I need to go freshen up.